Hey MoonToken Fam, this is Stacy, your project lead, and this is your update from September 10th to September 17th, 2017. So a few things. One, join our SHILL Army. It's awesome. And I have this vision that we're going to have 100 and 200 SHILL Army members strong. And that's when we're going to be winning all of those community polls, winning all of those contests, and that's where the power of community lies. So when you talk about guerrilla marketing, and I'm really excited to get on MoonToken Academy and talk some different and speak about different marketing techniques. Guerrilla marketing is doing marketing campaigns and efforts given little resources, and how creative can we get? I know that we are a creative, collaborative, cohesive community. So what is possible? Join our SHILL Army, and I'd like to see you there. Secondly, I'd like to recap our smart contract workshop that was held by our dev team of Bernard, Esco, and Ram. It's available below in our YouTube video. Hope you liked it, because I really liked it, and I really appreciated how they broke things down. Specifically for me was my favorite chapter of that episode was when Esco, Bernard, and Ram just solidified that confidence in me that our contract's really safe and we are rug proof. So no, I've always known that, but just hearing it from smarter people just makes me feel so good. I don't know if you know what I mean, but like, check it out. And this is a beginning of several series, and the direction we're going for MoonToken is all about education. It's all about advancing knowledge, because when we have more knowledge, we are empowered. And that brings me to my next point of our upcoming workshops. We have we have two from Move Network coming up next week after September 19th. The idea is business insights, and the following week is GameFi. So there are two ways to participate. One, you can join the Zoom link and be part of us as we are broadcasted on YouTube, or you can view us and join us on YouTube Live and ask and interact with us on the YouTube Live questions. Either or, we welcome you, and it's like up to you how you'd like to join us. Next point I'd like to add is our October focus. I'm pushing ahead, but our October focus is getting to know the community, highlighting the power of community. So you're going to be seeing us featuring community members, getting to know each other, creating connections with each other, and see how we can, in different areas, empower one another. So that's coming up. And we're going to have a call to action. If you would like to be featured, if you'd like to be a featured community member, then watch out for our posts calling to, not to interview, but to get to know you better and to get your story out there, so that we can have our get to know our community members, get to know our MoonToken Fam initiative. Yay. And lastly, our AMA, it's coming up on September 12th. I love the commercial that the promo video that Ray made for us. It's like, I feel like I'm going to be part of Saturday Night Live. I'm really feeling like I'm going to be like live from New York at Saturday Night Live with that promo video. So anyways, we are ready to answer all of your questions, to really cast that vision with you for our confidence in MoonToken. I feel so much confidence in our MoonToken project. I have so much peace in my heart with this project. And I'm so excited for our powerful narrative of telling people the power of community, the power of doing good, the power about being altruistic. And we can have these characteristics in the crypto space and win. So as Jess would say on Twitter, LFG, let's boop, go. And yeah, please join us on our socials. We are on Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, Reddit, and Discord. And I will see you there. Okay, I gotta go to my girls. Bye. Ciao.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know?